sinister.
These aren't very neat. That's
No,
okay.
they aren't.
All right, next. Hey, stop it. Stop it, you.
Oh, alright. Let's see, this one and this one. You want to fold it in the middle like that, or
Yeah.
it's inside out?
That's all right.
I think you need to
Just an
leave.
extra sheet.
I think you need to leave.
What you doing, little one? What are you doing over there? If we do it over this, she'll jump in it. There you go. Now, ready? 1, 2, 3. You want to do that again? 1, 2, 3.
This is the best
Is that
fun
fun?
ever.
1, 2, 3. Okay, now we'd like to fold it, please. We're gonna fold it.
Last chance.
1, 2, 3. Last time. Okay, fold your side fast. Okay, here, send it to me and I'll fold the rest of it. Is that fun? She's always on my side, face-wise, isn't she? Uh-oh.
Oh, now what?
Oh, I don't know. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump it out. There we go. Fold again. Oh dear.
Sweetie.
Is you gonna get it? Are you gonna get it? Oh dear, I'm gonna flip it.
Okay, so this is the, I guess.
This is the king one. There we go. Very big. Okay, oopsie, I won't drop your side. You know, you have a
You're
kitty.
kind of in the middle there again. Dump
Dump it
you
out.
up.
Dump it out.
Whoop.
Dump
There
it
it
out.
is.
There we go. Okay. There we go.
Oh, this isn't great.
We'll just line up the rest. All right. 1, 2, 3. She loves that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, fold in half. Oh, I think she missed. You're a crack, little one. You are a crack up. Nothing ever gets done alone in this house without a penny help. Nothing. No, Penny helps with everything we do, huh, little Penny Pooh? She helps with everything we do. And she's a good helper.
Hey, I will kill that.